In a beautiful village nestled between rolling green hills and sparkling streams, there lived a kind-hearted farmer named Mr. Ben. His farm was the pride of the village, filled with wonderful animals, each helping in its own way. Mr. Ben's cows provided fresh milk, his chickens laid eggs, and Thunder the horse helped plow the fields. Rusty, the loyal sheepdog, kept everyone safe. The farm was also home to a proud turkey with magnificent feathers, a hardworking donkey named Dusty, and playful ducks whose joyful quacks filled the air. The cutest animals on the farm were the two baby goats, Bobo and Lulu. With their tiny horns, soft fur, and playful tricks, they charmed everyone. Children loved visiting Mr. Ben's farm to watch the two baby goats bounce around, full of energy and mischief. One day, Mama Goat took Bobo and Lulu to the zebra crossing. She showed them how to wait for the pedestrian signal and to always use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Mama Goat showed them how to look left, then right, and then left, again, to ensure the road was safe to cross. Following Mama Goat's instructions, they practiced crossing the road carefully, learning that safety is the most important thing. One early morning, Mr. Ben forgot to close the gate. Bobo and Lulu, excited, ventured out of the farm, eager to explore. The two little goats kicked a ball back and forth, laughing and playing as they wandered near the village road. Suddenly, Bobo spotted a beautiful butterfly with rainbow-colored wings. Without thinking, he dashed after it, his eyes fixed on the colorful creature.
Bobo, wait! We need to check if it's safe.
Lulu called out, remembering Mama's words. Bobo was already halfway across when Mr. Ben's car appeared around the bend. Mr. Ben tried to stop, but it was too late. The car bumped Bobo, who tumbled to the ground, hurt and scared. Lulu's heart pounded as she watched her brother, her eyes filled with fear. Mr. Ben quickly stopped, picked up Bobo, and rushed him to the village doctor, who carefully examined his leg.
You were very lucky, Bobo. It's just a small injury, but remember, always be careful near the road.
Mr. Ben carried Bobo back to the farm, with Lulu walking closely by, her heart still pounding for her brother. Mama Goat met them at the gate, relieved to see her little ones safe, and said softly,
I'm so glad you're safe, my little ones. But always remember the rules I've taught you. The road is not a place to play.
From that day on, Bobo and Lulu never forgot the importance of road safety. Always listen to your parents as they know what is best for you. Staying safe is more important than anything, especially near roads.